Today I will show you how to download and install Microsoft Publisher in legal way.
Let's start. First go to your web browser, then search Office customization tools and select first website Office customization tools. Then in the architecture section, select your computer architecture. In my case, my computer is 64-bit. That's why I select 64-bit. If your computer is 32-bit, then select 32-bit. Scroll down and the Office suite option, select the Microsoft Office version. Here you see the Microsoft different type of Microsoft Office version. If you have already installed Microsoft Office on your computer, then select the same version here. If you don't select the same version, you may receive an error message during installation. That's why you must select the same version. In my case, I have already installed Microsoft Office in my computer. That's why I check the my current Microsoft Office version. Go to search version and search Word or Word or Excel. Search Word, then open. See here 2019. You also see this message in here. My Microsoft Office version is Professional Plus 2019. That's why I select the same version here, Office Professional Plus 2019. Scroll down. Under App section, you see the Excel, Word, Publisher, Outlook. We want to install Publisher. Then we other apps we untick. Only select Publisher. Background Microsoft search bar is off. Then click Next. In language selection option, select your preferred language. In my case, I select United States. Then click Next. In this case, Next. Then off it. Then click Next. And Next. Then Next. And finish. Then click Export. Then click Keep Current Setting and OK. Then click I accept this term and file name is configuration. Then click Export. Go to this folder. Here we open a new folder. Name is Publisher. MS Publisher. Then we move configuration file into MS Publisher folder. Then we go to another website, Office Deployment Tools. Go to first website, Office Deployment Tools, and click download. And go to this folder and right click it and run as a administrator. Click here and accept the term and condition, then continue. Select this folder which we created, this PC, then go to download folder and here we create MS Publisher. Select MS Publisher and OK. File extract successfully. Now we go to this file and copy it, this folder copy, and go to C drive and paste it. CMD command prompt as a run as a administrator, right click and run as a administrator. Then go to C and go to MS Publisher folder, copy the path and here first type CD, then paste it and click enter. We enter the MS Publisher folder, then we execute a command setup.exe, then configuration. We first configure Then I select configuration and hit enter. Please wait to download an installation. It takes some time to download an installation. The download and installation process is automatically download and install. You see this installation is finished. Then close it. The installation process is successfully completed. Now we see, go to search bars and search publisher. Now you can see it, Microsoft Publisher. This is our Microsoft Publisher. If you find this video helpful you, then please subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.